Car accidents are among the leading cause of serious injuries in the United States. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, reports that more than 4 million Americans are injured in crashes every year. Notably, the younger and more inexperienced a driver, the higher the risk that they'll be involved in a collision. The AAA Foundation for Traffic Safety found that drivers under the age of 20 are nearly 4 times more likely to be involved in a crash than are older drivers. For teenagers, inexperience is one of the leading causes of accidents. There are important steps that young drivers and their parents can take to reduce the likelihood of an accident and to minimize the overall safety risks should one occur. As a teenage driver, you must prepare your vehicle, avoid distractions, and know what steps to take to protect your health and safety in the event of a collision. Highway safety starts before you ever turn on the engine. You can help to prevent accidents by ensuring that you and your vehicle are fully prepared for the road. Here are 4 important steps that you should take before starting the car. 1. Know your vehicle. Every vehicle is different. Drivers must take the time to get familiar with their vehicles. You need to know how to adjust the seat and mirrors, turn on the lights, and find the turn signals. Read over your vehicle's manual and keep a copy in the car. 2. Build and carry a roadside emergency kit. Every motorist should be prepared for the possibility that they could be stranded for hours or even longer. You need a roadside emergency kit. 3. Vehicle maintenance. Make sure your vehicle is roadworthy. Top off fluids and check tire pressure before driving, especially long distances. 4. Gather important information. Finally, you should have important information carefully organized and accessible. Make sure that your insurance and vehicle registration are up to date and in your glove box. Keep phone numbers for an emergency contact, a towing company, your insurance company, and a car accident attorney in your phone's contact list. Eliminating distractions is especially important for younger and less experienced drivers. Here are 6 common considerations to keep in mind to avoid distractions. 1. Make sure you get enough rest. Fatigued driving is closely linked to inattention and lack of focus. Well-rested drivers are safer drivers. 2. Know where you're going. Don't put in directions or look at a map while you're driving. Make sure you know the route before you start the car. If you're lost, pull over. 3. Set up your music ahead of time. Fumbling with the radio can be dangerous. Get your music ready before you get on the road. 4. Put your phone safely out of reach. For teenagers, there's no bigger risk than a cell phone. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, found that texting while driving is even more dangerous than drunk driving. Put your phone away. 5. Avoid eating or drinking. Eating while behind the wheel is a dangerous distraction. If your meal cannot wait, find a safe spot to pull over. 6. Do not look for things while driving. Finally, you should never look for things while operating a vehicle. Can't find your sunglasses? Look for them before departure or after you arrive. It's in your phone and/or inside of your glove box.